All right, what do we got here, Sean?
So we got 7-Up pound cake.
Mmm.
So to start out, we gotta cream some sugar and butter together. We got 3 sticks of butter and 3 cups of sugar. We're starting out with a big bang.
Look at that.
So we're gonna we gotta just take a minute and
Cream this.
these. You wanna soften your butter before starting this part.
That looks creamed up and nice.
Yeah, it's looking nice and creamy now. Okay, so what you want to do now is you want to take an egg. We're going to take 6 medium eggs, and you actually want to mix each one in.
Individually?
Yeah. It just gets it better mixed in there. So after you crack each one.
That looks good.
Oh, yeah. All right, so now we're going to take a teaspoon of vanilla. And 2 tablespoons of lemon juice.
Did you know in the olden days they used to use metals as mirrors?
I didn't know that. Where did you learn this?
Game of Thrones.
Oh. It's a very good historical show.
All right, got some 7
All right,
Up here.
we got some 7-Up.
Holiday edition.
The cake's namesake. I'm going to put 3/4 cup in there.
Looks so bubbly and delicious.
7-Up actually has more carbonation than Sprite, so it is better to do 7-Up than Sprite. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to alternate a cup of flour with a little bit of 7-Up. So put that in there, pour in a little 7-Up, mix it around, rinse, repeat.
3 times.
All right, so then we're gonna pour this into the bundt cake pan that we've greased and floured.
Do y'all grease and flour your pans?
Just go round and round.
Wow. This is gonna be so good.
Love how it just falls into there.
I know, it falls in perfectly.
All right, so then we're gonna take this, put it in the oven at 350 for about 65 minutes. You heard me right, 65.
6'5".
It's worth it though. All right, we're gonna make the glaze. You just put in 1.5 confectioner's sugar. You put in 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And bring the 7-Up back in. 2 more tablespoons of 7-Up. There you go. And then we're just gonna mix this up.
Oh, the glaze is looking perfect
Looking
now.
great. I did add a little bit more 7-Up for those of y'all who want to try this. The 2 tablespoons was not enough. All right.
Wow, it
Ooh.
poofied up
Nice.
nice.
Fluffy cake.
Looks like angel food cake.
Mmm.
Gosh.
All that 7-Up in there.
All right, time to flip it.
Oh, so good. We gonna flip it?
Yep. 3, 2, 1, and flips. All right, let's see it.
Ooh.
Wow. Look at that. All right.
All right, then we made that glaze. We're gonna throw it on there. So now it's not really gonna matter what it looked like before.
It looks beautiful and white. Just like my wife.
And you're doing this when the cake's a little warm, right?
Because it's
Cake's
like
a little warm still.
it's like just doubling over all pretty.
Ooh, look at it, kind of just melty all over there.
Oh, it's like
Ooh,
cutting like
it's a
butter.
Nice cut.
I smell it too. It smells so good. You won't try that bite.
It's hot.
You won't try that bite.
Oh, but I will try this
Kim
bite.
will try it. Oh, baby.
That's good.
You know if Kim says it's the truth.
It's good.
She don't tell no lies.
The steam.
That is good.
That is good.